What is OOPS? The full form of OOP is Object-Oriented Programming. It is a way of coding in which programming is based on the use of objects which can interact with each other to easily develop coding logic. The fundamental of OOPS lies in the use of objects and classes. Objects are the basic building blocks of an OOP language. They represent real-life entities. It can be a shape, a person, or a simple button on the YouTube page. Class defines what kind of properties our object will have. It is like a blueprint for our objects. Let's take an example. Suppose we have an object car. The class of this object will define what characteristics the car will have. For example, 4 wheels and the color of the car. So all cars from this object will have the blueprint properties of 4 wheels and the color that has been defined. There are 4 main pillars of object-oriented programming: data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Data abstraction is showing only what is absolutely necessary. For example, when you are driving a car, you know where the brake and the accelerator are. You don't need to know the exact mechanisms behind their working to be able to drive. Encapsulation is the act of wrapping data and code in a single unit, which keeps it safe and also avoids confusion. For example, in a company there may be many departments like accounting, IT, sales, HR, etc. If someone from sales wants to get information about an employee from HR, they cannot directly access the records. They will have to ask for permission. This allows the safeguarding of private information. Now let's talk about inheritance. Just like a child inherits qualities from their parents like hair color and eye color, a class can also inherit properties from another class using inheritance. Polymorphism means many forms, and in an OOP language, our code can take many forms and perform various functions. For example, a person can be an employee, a chef, and also be good at video games. Just like that, we can make our code behave such that it can perform many different tasks under the same name. Object-oriented programming has become an industry standard today. Many companies like Meta, Amazon, Apple, and others use these principles in their code bases. Some popular object-oriented programming languages are Java, C++, Python, Ruby, TypeScript, and PHP, among others. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more.